Hey guys, this is Joffrey, and today I'm going to be giving you two apps you can make $5 per minute with, and I'm going to give you all the training that you need in order to make this happen. Also, if you're new to this channel, I talk about making money online, give you different ways to make money online. I always show payment proof that comes along with what I'm talking about. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to learn exactly how I'm doing it and exactly how I'm building up, my influence by teaching people how to make money online, then you definitely want to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I drop a new video, which is basically every day. So I'm in my PayPal, and you can see this right here. This came from an app called AppFlame, and these came from an app called OneQ. These came within minutes of each other, probably even less than that. Matter of fact, these came back to back to back to back. These are in euros. It is a worldwide app. The name of the app is called AppFlame, and I'll leave a link in the description below to both of these apps, including another app that I'm earning money with, a bonus app, as you will, and I'll leave that in the description as well. But you can actually come over here and see, and you can just see this in my PayPal. I kind of have my phone hooked up to my USB, so you can just see OneQ, and then AppFlame. It's 75 cents right here. This is $1. This is $3, I think, and this is another $1. I think that's a total of about $5 and some change. Euro to US dollars is a little bit. It's not my strong suit, but at this point, that'll probably be around $5. So how did I do this? Let me go over here and actually show it to you guys. Show you the first app. So let me hit this third button right here. If I go to AppFlame right quick, and I'll just show it to you guys. This gives you points for inviting friends, first of all, but also playing games, and they pay you like 219 coins per minute. You then come around here and you turn those coins that you earn into a PayPal payout. They have, all the way down to a 50 cent payout, and they go all the way up to, I think, $100. Sorry about that. Let me move this real quick. They go all the way to, I think, what is this? They go all the way to a 20, I think. It's kind of hard to move this when you're doing it on your mouse instead of your phone. Let me see, and they go all the way to a $20 payout. And most of you guys have been asking me about other gift cards. They have Steam, PlayStation Store Card, American Outfitters, BJ Restaurant. I mean, they have a ton of gift cards, and I'm pretty sure that you guys can use any of these. So on this actual app, they have ways. Now, depending on who you are, depending on how many times you want to play games, you can actually come in here and see which games you're more likely to play. So they have Dragon City, Mini Golf King. You can actually get these apps on another phone and actually play them and collect on AppFlame. So you will basically get another phone or another tablet, download AppFlame, download these games through AppFlame, and play and collect them, and you can have them going on different phones. I've actually seen a video of a guy that's actually doing this. He has games running on each and every phone, and he's earning around 94 to 100, 102, all the way up to 219 per minute just having these apps open. So you can do the same thing if you have the amount of phones, but if you don't, you just come in here and just play these games like you normally do. So that's AppFlame. That's one of the apps. The next one is OneQ, and I'm on my phone so I can try to find the app quickly instead of just going back and forth. But OneQ, that's the other one that you saw. I've made over $52.75 with this app. You can earn money by referring people. You can also earn money by also answering questions that they send you. So they're going to send you questions either to your mobile phone, which means your SMS, or they're going to put a notification on your notification screen, and you want to answer that question as quickly as possible. You get 25 cents per question that you answer. It ups and flows, and it varies for each country. This is available in most of the English-speaking countries, but it ups and flows of which people get the most questions. Now, they tell you in the app once you download it, and like I said, link to this app will be in the description below where you can download it. They tell you when you're downloading the app that you can put it to 50 cents or 25 cents. They recommend 25 cents because you get a lot more questions than if you were to put it at 50 cents per question. So you can adjust that and just see what works for you. So once you Once you start answering the questions, they pay you directly to your PayPal account, 25 cents as quickly as possible. Once as soon as you answer the question or as soon as you refer somebody, it goes directly to your PayPal, and it's just simple as that. So those are the two apps that you can use. And while I'm on this subject, let me talk about Dash real quick, because if you haven't been following me in Dash, and I'll leave this in the description below as well, if you haven't followed me on Dash, you haven't seen what I've been doing currently on Dash. So I'll go to the app. I earned about $35 yesterday. And this is where some big money comes in. You can see I have that going to my Vimo. You can do the same thing. You just basically come in here, you refer people to the app, and once they link a verified card, you get paid $5. This is a cashback app that everybody needs. It pays you cash back. It unlocks cash back on your particular card. So what that means is once you hook up your card to Dash and you go shop at one of these stores, you're going to get the percentage of cash back of whatever you spend. So if you spend $10, you can expect to get 5% of that back. So it's really, really a good app. And so, you know, it really helped me out when I went to Pizza Hut and I spent like $30 and I got $1 and something back. That was $1 and something that I didn't have, and I put it in my wallet. Once it's in your wallet, you can then transfer directly to your Vimo, PayPal account, bank account, all that good stuff. So just show you some more proof, and I'm just going to end this video. Like I said, Dash will be in the description below as well. You guys know I have to talk about Dash, so you're like, why are you talking about it in every video? It's because, you know, it does work. So you can just see $25 payments coming through. I actually linked to a video to show you how I actually do that in the description below, so you just go ahead and check that out. This is the link in order for you to link a card and get your $5 bonus. You get your $5 bonus is, you know, as soon as you link a card. All you have to do is go out and get a cash back and start referring people, and you can be earning around $25 a day. This is not guaranteed. These are just my results. This is exactly how I do it. Of course, you're gonna have to put in work. Of course, you're gonna have to, you know, do the things that I teach you, and actually put in effort. I can't promise you that you're gonna make any money with none of these apps. I'm just giving you what I've made with these apps. These are just for educational purposes. So you should go out there and use this information and, you know, try to make money with these apps, and then see what works for you. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Also share it on all your social medias, including Blogger, all these other apps, like Twitter as well. Go ahead and share my video with other people. You want to get this video out to a whole lot of people. People have been looking for ways to make money online and haven't had, you know, really good ways to make money online, and I'm giving them to you in this video. Hope that helped you guys. Go download the apps. I hope to see you guys making money, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.